Hey my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, I will show you how to install the SQLAlchemy library in Python on Mac. We will begin with opening the terminal. To do that, you are going to press Command Space to open the Spotlight search and then type terminal over here. Once it appears, you are going to click on it and boom, the terminal is open. Before we begin installing the SQLAlchemy library, let me show you which version of Python is installed on my Mac. To find out the current version being used, the command is python 3 space hyphen hyphen version. If you hit enter, it's going to give you the current version of Python running on your Mac. For me, it's 3.13.5, which happens to be one of the latest versions of Python available at the time of recording this video. Alright, let's begin the installation procedure. So first thing that we are going to do is to create a Python project folder, and I'm going to create that folder on my desktop, and you may choose to create it wherever you want. So I'm going to go inside my desktop using the cd command like this. Over here using the mkdir command, I'm going to create my Python project folder. I will name it SQLAlchemy _ install. If I hit enter, I'll have the directory created and it is visible over here on my desktop. You can see a folder in the name of SQLAlchemy _ install is created. Now we are going to go inside this folder using the cd command. Let's do that. All right, now we are inside the Python project folder. Over here, we are going to create a Python virtual environment. Why virtual environment? Because installing Python modules in a virtual environment keeps your project dependencies separated so they don't mess with other projects or system packages. And the command to create a Python virtual environment is python 3 -m venv, and the name of the virtual environment, let's name it SQLAlchemy _ venv. Let's hit enter, and if this command doesn't throw any error, that means the virtual environment is successfully created. Okay, so no error. Let's check if the virtual environment is created. So I'm going to type ls-l command, and you can see SQLAlchemy _ venv appears. That's our virtual environment. Now let's activate this virtual environment. So the command is going to be source space, the name of the virtual environment, which is SQLAlchemy _ venv /bin /activate. If we hit enter, it's going to make the virtual environment SQLAlchemy _ venv active. Now let's install the SQLAlchemy library, and the command to install this library will be pip install SQLAlchemy. Let's hit enter, and you can see the installation has begun. Awesome. It has ended as well. And you can see it says successfully installed greenlit 3.2.4, and after which it says SQLAlchemy 2.0.43. So the message has appeared, but let's test whether it has successfully installed ourselves. To do that, let's start a Python prompt using the command python 3. If we hit enter, it's going to take us inside a Python prompt. Over here, we are going to write import SQLAlchemy, and we are going to hit enter. Now, if this statement doesn't throw any error, that means we have successfully installed SQLAlchemy in our virtual environment, SQLAlchemy _ venv. And you can see it executed successfully, which proves that we have successfully installed a SQLAlchemy. Let's print the version of this library as well. To do that, we are going to write print, and within its brackets, we'll write SQLAlchemy. Oops, I made a spelling mistake. SQLAlchemy dot _version _. Let's see what it prints. It prints 2.0.43, and this version matches with the version installed. Alright, the final thing that we are going to do is deactivate the virtual environment, because that's the standard practice. It's a good practice to follow. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to install the SQLAlchemy library in Python on Mac from this video of Joey's Tech. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.